Hey everyone, welcome back. I want to do a quick little video on how to record a roll in the rolling options record keeper. Let's take a look. All right, I've got my rolling options record keeper open and it is January 16th today. You can see I made an adjustment to this trade just a couple of days ago. I've got a diagonal on. I have a ARKG diagonal January 17th. I've got the short 2350 put and I've got the long January 16th of 2026 24 put. It records here in this column. So this is my current position. This is where I do the data entry. You can see I'm long the 24 and I'm short the 2350. I've got this later expiration date in here, and because this is a diagonal, it rearranges it and it tells us exactly what the position is here. Last week, when I sold this, or a couple days ago, I collected 37 cents for selling this short put at 23.50. Now I'm going to look to roll this out in time because it's currently worth very little because the stock is trading at 24.25, which means this short put, which expires tomorrow, is virtually worthless. It's worth about 4 cents right now. So I'm going to go over to my brokerage. I'm going to load up ARKG in the platform and you can see where we're trading here. I could choose either the 2350 or the 24 put, basically looking for my profit 10 to be around there. So I want to roll this out. So I'm going to start by putting in the date I'm going to roll it out. The current price is 24.11. And what am I doing? I'm rolling to a diagonal and it's going to show me the pieces that need to be filled out. I'm doing the January 24th strike, and I'm going to see, can I keep the same strikes going here? So I'm just going to copy and paste over into this new cell. And the question is, how much credit can I get? So let's take a look at this position. I've got the 2350 put, I'm short. I'm going to click on buy to close. And then I'm going to go to my January 24th date and I'm going to go sell. I'm going to look at the total credit that I'm collecting. In this case, I'm going to get about 25 cents. I'm going to submit this order, buy the ARKG January 17th, 2350 put, sell ARKG January 24th, 2350 put. So it's a very simple roll and I'm collecting a credit of 25 cents. I'm going to hit transmit. I'm going to go to my orders tab. I'm going to look at how much money I get for this. I'm going to just fill this for you guys. $23. I got filled for $23. That is what I enter into the sheet. And I also need to know what my commissions are. So I'm going to take a look at the trades. My commissions for that trade, buying the January 17th, 2350 put and selling the January 24th, 2350 put. You can see my net commission were $2.12. So I'm going to enter these two values. The credit of 23 cents and the commission of $2.12. Let's enter those. The credit of 23 cents and the commission minus $2.12. The highlighting is going to go away and we're going to see the new charting of my new position. Diagonals don't chart very specifically. They kind of give me a general idea. My max risk on this trade is $239. My max potential is much bigger than that because there's a profit spike above these. These types of trades are performing very well in this current market environment. Hope that helps everybody. Thanks so much. And thanks for watching. Let's get rich together.